in South Carolina, and this is my Luther Ridge story. I went to college at Winthrop College in Rock Hill, South Carolina. I joined the Lutheran student movement there, and one night we were having a meeting. We had a young pastor then who was sitting over in a corner, not really engaged in our conversation. The subject of Luther Ridge came up, and I heard him mutter under his breath while he was sitting in the corner, "It was the best summer of my life." Turns out he had been a counselor at Luther Ridge, and when I heard him say that to no one in particular but himself, I thought, I gotta get some of that. I stayed here for 10 weeks as a counselor, and the beautiful setting and God speaking to me in a different way each week through the different programs they had every week became a part of my being.